Good morning, Greenwood 52. I wanted to introduce myself to all of you, all of the staff and teachers and community members of Greenwood 52. My name is Paul Spadero, newly named Assistant Superintendent of Curriculum Instruction for Greenwood 52. And I'd just like to say it's going to be a privilege and honor to be a part of your award-winning school district. A little bit about me. I have two children. This is my son, Kobe. He's currently in 7th grade, going to be in 8th grade, and he turns 13 in a couple weeks. This is my daughter, Madison. She's currently in 2nd grade, going to be headed into 3rd grade next year, and she turns 8 in about a month. And this is my lovely wife, Kara. For the last 3 years, I was the principal of LBC Middle School in Aiken County Schools. Previously to that, I served as assistant principal at St. James Middle School, and we won the nationally recognized Schools to Watch award. And then before that, I was the assistant principal at Forest Brook Middle School in Horry County Schools and was part of a Penn Model's Finest award-winning school. Professional accolades, again, first Aiken County Public School with the one-to-one rollout, so very familiar with infusing technology into the classroom. First Good School Report Card rating in the school's history. ELA SC Ready score increase was 14%. Math SC Ready increase was 8%. Increased our science scores by 28%. And we had the highest district increase in special education math with 12%, putting co-teaching classrooms, innovating and implementing those throughout the school. Again, I'm a firm believer in teacher collaboration, working smarter, not harder, making your jobs as easy as possible in the classroom. And I feel like with our support from principals, assistant principals, and district office will lead to our students' academic success. 3 key features that we're going to focus on in the years to come is content knowledge, making sure teachers know and understand that the standards we teach, pedagogy, and that's teaching strategies, using formative assessments, making data-driven decisions, and then, of course, we want to build relationships with our students. We have all these 3 things going on in our classrooms. I feel like success is going to be our only option. Success stories, again, let's put systemic processes in place through teacher collaboration, making data-driven decisions. Let's identify student deficiencies and create action plans to address those deficiencies. Infusing 21st century blended learning into daily lessons. If you don't know what blended learning is, it's basically blending teacher talents with technology, putting those things together, and you have a blended 21st century classroom taking place in your buildings. And then we're going to progress monitor student performance through common formative assessments and benchmark assessments administered throughout the year. I think we got to first start with a viable, guaranteed, and viable curriculum. Basically, we should know what we're teaching, when we're teaching, and how to teach standards-based instruction across all grade levels, across all content areas. Creating pacing guides, curriculum maps, and common formative and benchmark assessments throughout the district. And teachers will develop this, and of course, the district office and principals and administrators, we're going to support you through this process. We already gathered input from principals to identify curriculum team members, and I'll be reaching out to those specific teachers sometime this or early next week to get our plan in place for summer work and for putting our viable curriculum together. Professional development, we have a survey I'd like you to complete, so please complete the PD survey down here. This presentation will be emailed to you, and at the last slide, just please click on this link to access the PD survey. Just want to know what everyone needs help with. Do you need help with our learning management system, which is our Google Classroom? We're trying to transform our classrooms into innovative blended learning lessons. Do you need help with putting those things into action, creating differentiated instruction in your classes, putting a station rotational model, infusing that into your daily lessons, and personalizing learning for our students. And just want to know just want your input on that and what the biggest PD needs are for the district, and we'll create a professional development plan to address those needs. But I'm looking forward to making personal and professional connections with all staff and involving you in decision making, so we ensure that the success of our students is taking place on a daily basis. Again, thank you for viewing this video. Thank you for getting a little bit to know more about me. Just please complete the professional development survey. And I look forward to meeting and seeing you all real soon. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.